Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Here's what's actually wild. The Supreme Court has been making significant decisions lately without offering any explanation. This trend, known as the shadow docket, has become a powerful tool, allowing the court to intervene in major policies, like dismantling the Department of Education or banning transgender troops without the usual legal scrutiny. Ever notice how this lack of transparency feels a bit like a game of dodgeball where the players don't even have to explain their moves? It's honestly crazy. Quinta Jurecic from The Atlantic points out that the court is increasingly siding with the Trump administration, granting emergency rulings that allow controversial policies to take effect before any legal questions are resolved. For example, the administration was able to fire nearly 1,400 federal workers at the Education Department without a clear legal basis being established. Imagine being told you could lose your job, but the decision makers don't even have to justify their actions. This raises serious concerns about fairness and accountability. What if I told you that this trend could undermine the very legitimacy of the court? Jurecic highlights how the conservative supermajority seems to be sending a message. They believe they don't owe the public an explanation. This is a stark departure from the traditional role of the court as a fair arbiter of justice. The implications of this shadow docket are profound. It allows the administration to implement policies that could have far-reaching consequences while the courts are still deliberating. This means that by the time a decision is made, the damage could already be done. It's a bit like racing ahead on a highway without knowing if there's a bridge at the end. The broader context here is essential too. We're witnessing a shift in how the judicial system operates, one that seems to prioritize political agendas over established legal principles. The justices, by not explaining their decisions, risk alienating the very people they serve. It's a dangerous game that could backfire, especially if the political winds change. So, as we navigate these turbulent waters, let's remember, democracy thrives on transparency and accountability. The more we question these patterns, the better equipped we are to safeguard our rights and ensure that justice isn't just a word, but a reality for everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would help out a lot. Peace.